This is an AR-15, and today we're going to convert it into a can cannon. It's so easy, even a kid can do it.
I love this thing.
First, you start by taking your upper receiver off by removing these two pins.
And then you put your can cannon upper on your AR lower. Next, load some blanks into your mag.
Now insert the mag into the lower receiver.
Hey, let's shoot a tennis ball.
Okay. Fire away, girl.
Cool.
Awesome.
That was fun.
Hear me, bro?
Hold on, give me a minute. All right, so what you're gonna do, take your beer can, you're gonna load it face down, pull back the charging handle to load a new blank. When you aim at your target, keep it at a slight angle. Fire and enjoy. Woo!
That's funny. You should check out the other can cannon accessories. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.